win. We lost before, but never again. Back on our grind, you know what it is. Yeah, yeah, this is our year.
This is my first day ever whitewater kayaking. I'm about to shit my pants because the river is going nuts. And yeah, I've been practicing my kayaking roll. So if in doubt, if I ever get thrown out by the river, I might be able to get back up, but I'm not quite sure about that. Just hoping that when I'm underwater, I'm not gonna get out of the boat, because that would be not good. So have a look at the river. It's very gnarly. That's all I can say. Very gnarly for a beginner at least. Chris is the experienced guy here. He knows how to handle it. And so we'll just see how we go.
Wake up, I had to stay up, took a few pay cuts, I had to save up. Now they can't say much, changing the game up. Back on my grind like I never left. Gotta take this to a level up. Gotta stay focused, can't mess it up. Gotta move smart cause I know that they testing us. I'm in my bag, no longer checking the tags. Remember the days I wanted this bad, now look where I'm at, I cannot be mad. Jumped in the game and I did the dash, there's no looking back, can't live in the past. I know that you sad, go get you a bag. All of this winning is making you mad.
I'm not sleeping in. Bye.
for me as a beginner, the river was way too tough. Very lucky that I didn't swim, and very lucky that we made it out. Because, I don't know, I had a couple of close calls, but it was fun overall. I'm gonna stop for now. I'm gonna wait till I have something a little bit less advanced. But that was it for now, and I will talk to you next time. Woo!